A coronavirus vaccine will be available in limited supply sometime between November and December, the director of the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention told lawmakers Wednesday. But he said it won't be widely available for the American public until much later.
I think we're probably looking at late second quarter, third quarter, 2021.
Just hours later, President Donald Trump contradicted his own expert.
I think he made a mistake when he said that. It's just incorrect information. And I called him, and he didn't tell me that, and I think he got the message maybe confused. Maybe it was stated incorrectly. No, we're ready to go immediately as the vaccine is announced, and it could be announced in October.
America's response to COVID-19 is a key issue in the November presidential contest, and Trump has said a vaccine could be ready by Election Day. Trump also contradicted the CDC director's statement that masks are proven effective and may provide more protection than a vaccine. In a town hall anchored by ABC News' George Stephanopoulos Tuesday, Trump said the coronavirus would disappear without a vaccine, claiming the nation would eventually develop herd immunity. Herd immunity occurs when a sufficient percentage of a population has become immune, reducing the likelihood of infection for individuals who lack immunity.
The only way you achieve herd immunity without a vaccine is that the virus does it all by itself. Then the virus has to infect many, many people and make many, many people sick, put them in the hospital, and we would have many deaths of people of all ages, children, young adults, and of course, many older people and people with chronic illnesses. No. We wouldn't want that.
Seeking to draw a contrast with Trump's approach to combating the pandemic, on Wednesday, Democratic presidential nominee Joe Biden laid out his plans to develop and distribute a vaccine if elected.
They include a detailed timetable for when people will get the vaccine, clear delineation of priority of populations to get the vaccine, a specific means and mechanism for shipping and storing vaccine at appropriate temperatures. 2 of those vaccines, if they come forward, they have to be stored and shipped at 70 degrees below zero. The division of responsibility at every level of government has to be clear. And I will provide the leadership necessary to carry out that plan.
As some Americans begin mailing in their ballots ahead of the November election, a recent ABC News Ipsos poll showed 65% of Americans disapprove of Trump's handling of the pandemic. Patsy Widakuswara, VOA News.